everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Nicole from Zen Electric Bikes, and today we're answering one of our top questions. Why does the front fender rattle? To put it simply, the front fender just rattles on uneven and bumpy ground. But there are things you can do to mitigate the noise. To mitigate this, we have put some rubber tape on your front fenders to quiet the rattle if you're on smooth and paved ground. If you're riding often on dirt roads or uneven ground and you're still finding the front fender rattles a lot, you can find the front fitting strap in your box and strap it on to your front fenders. We're gonna go over to Blair's bike shop and he's gonna do it up for us and show us how to do it.
First thing we're going to do when attaching the fixing strap is we're going to take note of these 4 plugs. Obviously, to put the strap in, we're going to need to remove 2 or all 4 of the plugs, depending on which model you have. So we're going to take off the tire first. And from this point, it's quite easy. What you're going to do is come from underneath and pop the plugs out. Feed the strap up from the inside and then attach the strap as tight as you would like. On the outside, just like so, and then feel free to cut off any excess once you've got it clipped in fully. All right, now that we've got it all tied up, I'm just gonna bring you around to the back side of the fork here. This is what it should like. As you can see, you're wrapped around the fender, through one hole, off to the side. We can cut off this access if we need. And then you're just going to come around front, pop the next one out, repeat for the other side, and then put your front wheel back on.
So in summary, your front fender rattling is completely normal. And if the fitting strap doesn't subside the noise, please contact us and our bike mechanic will be happy to help you. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Nicole. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.